Carnival Cruise. Now we're in Roatan, Honduras.
You like this boat?
God bless you.
Wow, this is a cool boat.
Alright, man. Behind this palapa, you see the little dock right there? On the side of that dock is a lot of statues on the water. I'm talking about that's why we got this in our hand. Because this is a ahorita, ¿qué horario querés? We got kayaks for adults, we got kayaks for kids, we got paddleboard for kids, and paddleboard for adults.
On our sit-down paddleboard. I thought he was stuck.